Namaskar students. In this video, we will basically be discussing what are the various basic documents are acceptable by passport office as your address proof, and further we will discuss about the list of acceptable documents for date of birth proof. Basically, for making a passport, if we talk about the documents, there are two types of documents are required. One is the address proof and another one is date of birth proof. So in this video, we will be discussing about the list of acceptable documents which are acceptable to the passport office as an address proof, and further we will also be discussing about the list of acceptable documents as a date of birth proof. So let us start our journey with proof of address. So if you will visit the Passport Seva website, then you will find that there is a list of 12 documents which are acceptable as an address proof if you are applying for a fresh passport. Let us discuss one by one. So the very first document is the water bill. So water bill is having the address proof, is having the address of the applicant, so that water bill can be used as an address proof. Further, the second document is the telephone bill. Now in telephone, only two types of telephone bills are acceptable by the passport office. One is the landline telephone bill and the another one is postpaid mobile bill. The prepaid mobile bill do not have any kind of address, so that is why that particular document is not acceptable as an address proof, cannot be used as an address proof. So the telephone bill can also be used as an address proof. Further, the electricity bill also contains the address of the applicant, so that can also be used as an address proof. Then fourth number is the income tax assessment order. When we file income tax return, we have to give our address in the ITR. So that assessment orders can be used as an address proof for applying a passport. Then further on fifth number, that is the election commission photo ID card. This photo ID card is also having the address of the applicant, so that can also be used as an address proof. Then on number 6, proof of gas connection. If you are having a gas connection by your name, that gas booklet is also carrying your address, so that can also be used as an address proof. Then on number 7th, certificate from employer of reputed companies on letterhead. So if it is a reputed company, now what do we mean by reputed company? Not every company can give the address proof on their letterhead. Now, reputed company means the public limited company. Only the public limited companies, they can issue the address proof on their letterhead to their employees. And further, the letterhead which they are using, it should not be the printout letterheads will not be acceptable to the passport office. It should be a printed letterhead, not a printout from the printer. And further, only the public limited company can give to their employees that this particular person is staying on this particular address. So that can be used as an address proof. Then on number 8, spouse's passport copy. Now here, if For example, I have a passport. The husband is having a passport. Husband is having a passport. And on the passport, if we visit the last two pages of the passport, last two last pages of passport, that contains the address. And if wife is applying for the passport, so he can use the spouse passport. Spouse passport means he can use the husband's passport as an address proof. Similarly, if both husband and wife are having a passport, then if they are applying for their child, the child can use the his father's passport or his mother's passport as an address proof, provided that wife and children, they must be staying on the same address for which they are applying for a passport. Then so this spouse passport copy in case of husband or wife, that can be used as an address proof. Then on number 9, parents passport copy. I just have explained you that if a child is applying for a passport, he is a minor, he can use his father's passport copy as an address proof, or mother's passport copy as an address proof. So this can also be used by the minor. Then Aadhaar card. Nowadays Aadhaar card is used as an address proof, that is having the detailed address on the card. So that can also be used as an address proof. Now one thing we should be clear, that if we attach Aadhaar card as our address proof, this speed up the process of making a passport. Passport office will do all the processing in a speed up manner. Then 11th number is the rent agreement. Suppose I belongs to any other city, and for example I belong to Chandigarh, and for job purpose I am staying in Delhi, and in Delhi I am staying on rent. So while making a passport, the proof of current residence address is applicable. So as a current residence address, I can use that rent agreement as my address proof. Rent agreement, but this rent agreement is having a specific format, so that must be in the specific format, and that can be used as an address proof. So this is the 11th document. Then on 12th number, photo passbook of running bank account, but there are two conditions. One is the scheduled public sector banks or scheduled private sector Indian banks and regional rural banks only. So it should not be the any bank, it should be the scheduled public sector bank or scheduled private sector bank, or it should be an Indian bank and regional rural bank. So if you have an account in any of these bank account, and they have issued you a photo passbook, so that photo passbook can be used as an address proof while applying the passport. So this is the list of 12 documents which are acceptable by the passport office if you are applying your passport, and you can use any of the documents in this list. Now they have given some notes. Now let us discuss about these notes, what they include. Applicants are required to submit the proof of address of the present address only. Present address means on which he is staying right now, not all the addresses, irrespective of the date from which he or she has been residing at the given address. So the proof of present residence address, proof of present residence address has to be submitted. Present residence address. However, here one of the another condition is there. However, she is required to mention all the places of stay during previous 1 year. Suppose I have changed my house in previous 1 year. So while applying the passport form, there is a column in which the passport office asks you that on which, if you have you ever changed your address in the last 1 year. So you have to mention all the addresses if you have changed your address in the past 1 year. But as an address proof, you have to give the present residence address. Then the another point I have told you that the furnishing of Aadhaar card will expedite processing of passport application. Means if you use Aadhaar card as your address proof, this will speed up the process of making a passport. Then further, Aadhaar letter card or e-Aadhaar, an electronically generated letter from the website of UIDAI, as the case may be, will be accepted as address proof, proof of address, and proof of photo identity for availing passport related services. Acceptance of Aadhaar or POA or POI, proof of address or proof of identity, would be subject to successful validation with the Aadhaar database. Means earlier this was not there. Earlier they wanted to have the Aadhaar card issued by UIDAI only. The printouts of the that UIDAI card were not accepted by the passport office. But now they have done an amendment. If you give the e-Aadhaar, means the e-Aadhaar which you have generated from the website, that can also be attached as an address proof or proof of identity. But they will verify it with the Aadhaar database, and it should be matched with the Aadhaar database. Only then this particular document will be accepted. So this is another point in this. For minor applicants, present address proof document in the name of parents can be submitted. So minor don't have the gas connection, or they don't have the water bill on their name, or the telephone bill on their name, or the electricity bill, income tax order, election card, proof of gas connection. They don't have all these things on their name, so they can use the documents of their father or mothers. So if water bill is by the name of father, he can use the water bill as an address proof. Telephone bill, again, if it is by the name of his father or his mother, he can use his this as an address proof. So in case of minor, the proof of parents can be submitted. Then for document number 7, only public limited companies. This I told you while when I was explaining the point. This seventh point, certificate from the employer of reputed company. What do we mean by reputed company? Only the public limited company, they can issue on their letterheads. Further, given the address proof on company's letterhead along with seal, the seal should be there, means a stamp should be there. Computerized printout shall not be entertained. Sometimes in a hurry, the people get the printout of the letterhead and they just signed it from their concerned person and they submit as an address proof. So this will not be entertained. To view for document 11, to view the circular, means rent agreement. So I told you that there is a specific format of rent agreement that should be used. So if you will click on the website, you can get the further detail about this. Then for point 12, to view the list of banks, photo passbook is acceptable as address proof. So list of bank is given whose passbook is acceptable by the passport office. So but basically this should be scheduled public sector bank or scheduled private sector bank or Indian bank or regional rural bank. Even they have given a list on their website also. So document containing address out of 12 documents listed under Tatkal application. So if you are applying your passport under Tatkal scheme, then you have to attach 3 documents out of above, and all the 3 documents must have the same address. So all the above documents you can use under the Tatkal scheme also. So above is the list which you can use as an address proof if you are applying your passport normal under the normal process. Then the another document which is required by the that is the which is required while applying a passport is the date of birth proof. Now let us see what is included in the date of birth proof. I just delete all these things and I attach the document which you can use as a date of birth proof. So this is the list. So let us see what all is included in the date of birth. Earlier, there was a mandatory thing. The people who have a date of birth as on 26th 1 1989 or above, the people who have taken birth as on 26 January 1989 or after that, they mandatorily they have to they have to attach the birth certificate. Only then their passport, they can get their passport. But now this particular provision has been deleted. Now these are the following documents which can be used as a date of birth proof. Number one is birth certificate issued by registrar of births and deaths of or the municipal corporation or any other prescribed authority whosoever has been empowered under the registration of birth and deaths act 1969 to register the birth of a child born in India. So basically this document tells about the birth certificate. So you can use a birth certificate as your date of birth proof. That birth certificate is having the on which date the particular person has born. Then the second document which can be used as a birth certificate is transfer school leaving certificate, matriculation certificate issued by the school last attended recognized educational boards. So you can use your 10th DMC matriculation certificate. Either you have done from CBSE or from Haryana Board of School Education HBSE or from any other board. You can use this particular document as a date of birth proof. Apart from that, you can use the school transfer certificate. That can also be used as a birth certificate. Then third, the policy bond issued by Public Life Insurance Corporation. If someone has taken a LIC, so LIC is also having the date of birth. So that policy document can be used as a date of birth proof. Then copy of an exact of the service record of the applicant. So if you are a government employee, then your service record is with the employer. So the copy of service record that can be used, copy of service record that can be used as a date of birth proof. But this is only case of government employees. Either they are the government employees or the public sector unit employees, or they are the state government employees. Only they can be used as the copy of their service record, which is clearly mentioned that this is the date of birth, not the year. The date of birth should be clear, on which day, on which month, and in which year the person has taken a birth. The Aadhaar card can also be used as a birth certificate. Then election photo identity card issued by the Election Commission. Now all these documents which we are talking about, like which is mentioned at point number 4, 5 and 6, this should be clearly mentioned the date of birth. Means date of birth, for example, someone has taken a birth on 1st January 1983. So this is clearly mentioning the date of birth, and on some document it is written only 1993. So this is not acceptable. This is acceptable, the clear mentioned date of birth. So photo identity card, the PAN card, if it is mentioning the clear date of birth, that can be used. Driving license issued by the transport department of the concerned state government, that can be used as a date of birth proof. And then a declaration given by the head of the orphanage child care. If someone is staying in an orphanage home or orphanage home, so the administrative officer of the orphanage home can issue a letter or on their letterhead mentioning the date of birth of the child or the candidate. So that can also be used as a date of birth proof. Now let's see, they have a note, documents mentioning in point number 4 to 8. 4 to 8 means the copy of the service record, e-Aadhaar card, Election Commission identity card, PAN card, and driving license. Is only if it has the prescribed date of birth of the applicant. So this I have already told you, that if it is having the clear date of birth of the candidate, only then these documents are acceptable. So these are the list of documents which are acceptable by the passport office, which you can use as address proof as well as your date of birth proof. Thank you very much.